Welcome, traveler. Perhaps you didn't come here by accident. Something within you has led you right here. This is where the journey back to yourself begins. A path that is calm, human, and yet full of strength. Enter, take a deep breath, and allow this space to reconnect you with who you truly are. Pause for a moment. Let everything around you fade away. Quiet the world, quiet your thoughts, and listen only to your breath. Because right now, in this very moment, something within you can change. You are not here by coincidence. Your soul brought you here to remember what you once knew long ago and perhaps have forgotten. That your life, your strength, and your balance have always been within you. This space is not ordinary. It is part of a unique program that unites three great paths of human wisdom: Stoicism, Eastern philosophy, and indigenous knowledge. This video will look at your questions, struggles, and challenges through these three perspectives: the view of the Stoic, the Eastern sage, and the voice of indigenous wisdom. It will help you understand why things happen the way they do, and most importantly, how to face them practically with calm, perspective, and strength that rises from within. Here, reason meets the soul, wisdom meets courage, silence meets action. So take a deep breath and let me guide you on a journey that may just change your life. Today, we'll talk about, understand, and learn how to communicate when it feels like no one is listening. We cannot control what others hear, but we can control where our voice comes from. You probably know this feeling. You speak, you explain, you choose every word carefully, and still, it feels like no one truly hears you. Your words fall into emptiness. Even when someone stands right in front of you, it's as if there's an invisible wall between you. You feel tired, frustrated. Sometimes you just give up. And in the silence of misunderstanding, a quiet sadness is born. Because what we all desire most is not to be right, but to be seen and heard. Let me begin with a story. Imagine a simple scene. Your partner comes home. You want to share something that's been heavy on your heart all day. He sits down, looks at his phone, nods, "Yeah, sure," and stays silent. You feel tension. You raise your voice, and in that moment, the doors of communication close. Not because he doesn't love you, but because your tone has changed. Your words are no longer about what you feel, but about wanting to be heard. And the difference between those two intentions is an entire universe. Relationships are not about information. They are about the energy we create when we share. And that energy always begins within us. Now, what is the Stoic view on this topic? It's called strength and calm. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to us that defines us, but how we respond." The same is true in communication. We can't control how others react, but we can control how we let emotion move through us. Pause. Breathe in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. This small act changes your body's chemistry. Your brain calms down, and the voice that comes from peace carries power you can feel instantly. In that moment, you no longer speak to prove you're right. You speak to connect, and that changes everything. From the Eastern perspective, this is called presence in breath. Buddhist wisdom says, it's not what you say, but where you say it from. When you speak intention, your body goes into defense. Your voice tightens, your breath becomes shallow, and your words lose their resonance. Try breathing consciously while you speak, slowly, deeply. Let your words flow with your exhale. This is not a technique. It's a return home, into presence. When you are calm, others feel it, even if they can't explain why. Your presence becomes a mirror, and even the most closed heart begins to open. Indigenous wisdom teaches the principle, speak from the heart, not from the ego. Native traditions say, when you speak, you should feel your chest move. If you speak only from the head, your words become sharp. If you speak from the heart, your words become alive. Try it. Instead of saying, you never listen to me, say, I feel sad when I'm not heard. That's the kind of strength that doesn't attack. It opens. When you speak with respect, you teach others how to treat you. And sometimes, a quiet miracle happens. The silence of the other stops hurting, because you realize that you yourself are listening within. Now, here are some practical recommendations. Pause before you speak. Ask yourself, what do I truly want to express, love or pain? Use the language of the heart. Replace blame with experience. Say, when this happens, I feel. Speak more softly than you think you should. A quiet voice has more strength than a loud one. Breathe while you talk. When you breathe consciously, you stay present. Don't demand a reaction. Sometimes the other person just needs time to hear you. Trust the silence between words. Now, let's try a simple exercise. It's called 3 minutes of silence. Find someone you often feel unheard by. Sit facing each other. Agree on 3 minutes. First, you speak about how you feel, not about what they do. They don't interrupt. They just listen. After 3 minutes, switch roles. At the end, don't judge or explain. Simply thank each other for the courage to be present. You'll see how much the energy between you can change in just 3 silent minutes. And now, the closing thought of this video. When someone doesn't hear you, maybe they're not yet ready to listen, but you can always be ready to listen to yourself. Every conversation is an opportunity to practice calm, awareness, and truth. And one day you'll realize you no longer need the world to hear you, because you have finally learned to hear the world. Take a deep breath and let everything you've just heard settle for a moment. Every word, every image that spoke to you today has the power to change the way you see yourself and the world around you. Remember, the strength, the calm, and the balance you're searching for have always been within you. You just need to return to them. If this video inspired you, give it a like and help these ideas reach others who might need them right now. Subscribe to the channel My Life in My Hands so you won't miss the next step on this journey, a journey toward a conscious, peaceful, and powerful life. And if you're ready to go deeper, watch the next video waiting for you right here. Because with every step forward, you discover more of who you truly are. Never forget, your life is truly in your hands.